So now we look at example 1 for shell method. So the region W in the figure below is bounded by the curve y is equal to x squared and the line x plus y is equal to 6 and the y-axis. Find the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region W is revolved about the line x is equals to -1. So x is, if here is 0, so x is equals to -1 is around here. So x is equals to -1. So you can see that this is vertical. So this is vertical line. If the line is vertical, then we're going to use the values of x and function in term of x. In other words, our volume will be equals to 2 pi integrate from a to b rx times cx dx. So this is the function because this is a vertical line. So the shaded region is from 0 until this point is 2. So we already have our value of a and b, which is 0 to 2. Next, we try to find the function of Rx. So you can see that this is the shaded region and this is the line of revolution. So this is the line of revolution, which is x is equals to -1, and the shaded region is on the right hand side. So this is the shaded region. Let's say, so the shaded region is x. So means that right hand side minus left hand side. So our Rx will be equals to x minus left hand side is -1. So here is x plus 1. So this is our Rx, x plus 1. If the shaded region is on the left hand side, then it's -1 minus x. So it's right minus left. So it's x, the shaded region is x minus -1. So it's x plus 1. So for Cx is the upper function minus the lower function. So it means that our Cx upper function is the straight line, which is x plus y is equals to 6. So I have to remove x plus y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6 minus x. So the upper function is 6 minus x minus the lower function. The lower function is the curve, which is x squared. So if I try to simplify this function, here we have negative x squared minus x plus 6. So this is the function of Cx. So finally, so volume, now volume is equals to 2 pi integrate from 0, if you refer to this graph, 0 until 2. So Rx, our Rx is x plus 1. So x plus 1 times our Cx is negative x squared minus x plus 6. So is negative x squared minus x plus 6. So minus x plus 6 dx. So before we integrate, we need to expand 1 by 1. So next step, I will try to expand 2 pi integrate from 0 to 2. So x times negative x squared, negative x cubed, x times negative x, negative x squared, x times 6, 6x, and then 1 times negative x, negative x squared, 1 times negative x, 1 times 6, 6 with respect to x. So I try to simplify. 2 pi, integrate from 0 to 2, negative x cubed. So negative x squared minus x squared, negative 2x squared, plus 6x minus x, plus 5x, plus 6. So now I start to integrate. 2 pi, integrate negative x power 4 over 4 minus 2x cubed over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 plus 6x. So we're going to substitute the value from 0 until 2. So next, I will start to substitute the value. 2 pi. First, we substitute the value of 2. So from here, I should have negative 2 power of 4 over 4 minus 2 times 2 power of 3 over 3 plus 5 times 2 power of 2 over 2 plus 6 times 2 minus, when I substitute 0 again, I will get 0. So from here, 2 pi. So I try to simplify. From here is 2 power 4 divided by 4 will become, here we should have negative 4 minus 2 power of 3 times 2. So this is negative minus 16 over 3 plus, here is 4, 10 plus 12 minus 0. So 2 pi. So negative 4 minus 16 over 3 plus 10 plus 12. So we have 38 over 3. So finally, 38 over 3 multiplied by 2, I should have 76 over 3 pi unit cube. So remember, for shell method, we will refer to the line of revolution. If the line is a vertical line, then we are using value of x, function in terms of x. In the next example, we will look at when the line of revolution is a horizontal line. So for horizontal line, we're going to use value of y and function in terms of y.